Now is the time to upgrade your lifestyle. Imagine your property as a beautiful oasis with award-winning designs that bring luxury to life, from concept to completion. Elevate your outdoor living with Lancon.
For over 25 years, Lancon has been a trusted and renowned name in the pool and landscape industry. Our unwavering commitment to quality and exceptional service has been the cornerstone of our success. With a dedicated and experienced team guiding every step from design to maintenance, Lancon takes pride in delivering excellence, regardless of the project's size. Our enduring legacy is built on a foundation of integrity, craftsmanship, and a passion for transforming outdoor spaces into timeless, beautiful retreats for our valued clients. Design benefits. By working collaboratively with a designer, you can achieve a beautiful and functional landscape that enhances your property without compromising your budgetary limits. A 3D design allows for a realistic picture of the planned landscape. It provides an accurate representation of the elements and textures, giving clients a vivid preview of the final outcome. The landscape design allows for the execution of the project in stages. A professional landscape designer has the expertise to anticipate potential challenges. A well-designed landscape not only adds aesthetic value, but can enhance the overall value of your property. Pool benefits. A swimming pool transforms your home into a personal oasis, just steps from your door at the comfort of your own home. Having a swimming pool can bring various benefits to both your lifestyle and to the property value. A pool is a focal point for family and friends to get together. It offers a space for quality time and shared experiences. Having a pool at home encourages regular exercise. Lancon Awards and Achievements. Lancon, recognized as a top pool and landscape design and build firm in Ontario, having earned multiple awards as well as a provincial and national awards for over 25 years. Our enduring commitment to excellence is reflected in our innovative solutions and skilled craftsmanship.